My instructors have been wonderful. I noticed that our instructors are experienced and they've been out there, and so they are telling you how it is out there, and they're trying to prepare you for what it will be like when you get in the work field. My favorite things is that you make friends very easily. You help each other grow. Like, say you miss a class and you can get in contact with a classmate and just try to catch up.
The abilities and skills that each instructor gave me along the way and professionalism that they taught me, the ethics just was phenomenal. The hands-on experience was just amazing. Everything that we've learned, or that I myself learned as a student, has been very practical in the field that I work right now. It's been a great experience for me, and I love what I do. It's been my dream job, and I couldn't say anything better than that.